Sit back and enjoy the view as the Majestic Princess leaves Vancouver, headed for Ketchikan, and we'll give you a few tips about traveling to Alaska. Make sure to bring some sunscreen. Believe it or not, you can get sunburn in Alaska.
That's for sure. Also, we recommend bringing clothes that you can layer so that you can peel those layers off as the day warms up.
Princess sells a fabulous jacket that is warm on the inside, yet waterproof on the outside, and has zippers at the cuffs and a hood. We recommend that jacket.
Don't go cheap on your Alaska cruise. This is a bucket list destination. Get ready to go do the things you want to do and do them while you can.
Book those excursions early because they always sell out. Besides, you get a better deal when you book that cruise from home.
That's right.
It's not terribly cold in Alaska in May, but you will have some mornings and evenings where it's chilly. So don't forget that hat and scarf and gloves. Check out our vlogs on the Alaska cruises. Alaska is a must-do adventure for sure. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.